Well, it's a lovely Texas day, except for a little bit of wind. But it's going to be a video that has multiple sections to it, because I don't want to put this out there until I give it to who I'm giving it to. This is a 97 Ford F-250. Has the 5.8 liter gas engine in it. The motor is blown up, locked up, tighter than a drum. That side's locked. It's a two-wheel drive. I have, in a previous video, you saw a service bed, and that's where it's going, right here. This isn't bad. It's got a little bit of, something wrong here. We'll work on that. But other than that, and this nifty little let's ride on it like a 2-year-old stuff. Interior is actually pretty nice. Like I said, though, it needs a windshield now, or it needs a windshield. I just noticed that. Let's see. The story is, it was, come on now, where is it? Okay. It was owned by a lady, and I guess her daughter ran it. Come on now, let go. Her daughter ran it out of oil and locked it up. So you can see it's got brand new oil in it, because I thought that would fix it, and clearly it did not, because it's still locked up. So I'm going to find an engine for it, put in it, get it running, and give it away as a gift to my father, that does not even know that this exists yet. He's a Ford lover. Nothing wrong with a Ford lover. Me, I'm a Dodge guy. But I'll own whatever I need to get the job done. Got good tires on it. Good interior. The only damage on the whole truck that I have found, you gotta excuse the sun, it's bright, it's here and down there on the door. And these are old school crank doors. So I might be able to find one. But follow along. Stay tuned, because we're gonna go ahead and fix it up, put the bed on it, and paint it. And we'll keep the color of the paint to ourselves until we get down to that video. But catch y'all in a bit. All right, we are over at MacGyver Services. We just dropped off the parts truck off the trailer. Kind of checking it out. It's got a little ding here in the fender, but that's mainly, we could probably knock that out. I'll show you on that truck, the fender's screwed up pretty good right here. Got a good door that we're going to use. Couple little interior things, but I'm taking the rifle racks. You never see those anymore in anybody's trucks. So here is the truck. So bed's off, motor's out. We're gonna use that truck's grill, chrome grill and headlight bezels. But this is the fender knock I was talking about. So, and this is why I'm going to replace the door. I mean, the truck's getting painted anyways, so really doesn't matter. So, see how it goes. Well, yep, there's a parts truck, so it shouldn't be long until we're back together. Well, we didn't get as far as we planned, but looks pretty good. You've wanted one a while, and it's a Ford. That's part of it. It's got to get painted. It hadn't been warm enough. That's the bed that I bought, and that's why I've been buying all this stuff, trying to get it right. It still needs the chrome grill that I've got and some touch-up stuff, but check it out. It's got to go back to him. You know, he's gonna go ahead and take it with him, that way we can keep working on it. But this is your Christmas present, Dad.
Yeah, I'll get some seat covers.
Mm-hmm. Start it up. I think with what you'll be doing, we're going to put that white compressor in the back, put a fuel cell in it, and start filling it with tools. The back, actually, all the doors lock, so you don't have to fight with each individual lock. You can lock the whole assembly at once.
I think it's got an exhaust hood.
Probably.
And it's got heat. Yes. Defrost works great.
So, Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Well, Merry Christmas, y'all. Remember, like, share, kick your friends in the butt. Whatever you do, have fun today, and we'll see you next time.